All right, so this is just a test. This is just a test. Just a test, baby. Just to see how loud I am. Just to see what's going down. All right, so now that the test is over, you can see there's a beautiful flower garden right in front of the home. When you install it, when you put it in, that's definitely an option. That's something that we will definitely do if we were staying here. I love the front door. I love that type of design. Now, when you come into the living room, it's wide open space. Going to the garage is going to be, 2-car garage. Now me, I will put the hanging shelves that's hanging from the ceiling instead of the stuff that's touching the ground. That gives you a lot more room. See the fireplace over there in the corner. I'm really loving this kitchen setup. So it's brand new appliances. Can you believe that? So, I mean, on paper, it say that it's about 3 or 4 years, but that's cap. Unless nobody cooked here in 3 or 4 years and nobody did nothing. This stuff, everything looked brand new to me. And you saw the cabinet just close. I'm sorry, a little while ago, but yeah, that was one of those silent, slow shutting cabinets and drawers as well. The refrigerator, I like my crushed ice. I don't know about y'all. Put it down in the comments to see what ice you like, baby. The ceiling fan that's in the middle of the high ceilings that's in the living room. I really enjoy that for sure. Gotta be comfortable, baby. Got to be comfortable. Gotta have everything that you need. Heading on down the hallway, we're going to this linen closet. It has everything you need. It has ample space for all your towels and face towels and toiletries and things of that nature to go in there. Taking a look at the floor, making sure that you don't have a carpet and it's hardwood and things of that nature. Walk-in closet into the secondary rooms. Now these secondary rooms are 11 by 10. And look at these blinds, baby. They thick. She's so thick. So thick. Yes. Those blinds. Your baby or your cat can't mess those up, man. So that's going throughout the whole house. Every room has those particular blinds. Like I said, this other room is also going to be 11 by 10 with the walk-in closet, baby. Man, you can't beat that, man. You can't beat that. Now this particular place is only $2,000 a month. But to be honest, man, I really think it should be higher than that, to be honest, because they kept this place up, man. I don't see no holes in the walls. Like as somebody hanging pictures and things. And look at this bathroom. Just look at it. Yes. This is it. Got a door on it. Bathroom come with doors. Now this main bedroom, the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is 15 by 13. Oh man, as soon as you walk into the bathroom, you'll see that it has that shower all the way to the floor, man. And this wide mirror, this his and her sink, and also has a his and her closet as well. Walk-in closet. It's ample space, man. This is it. And then right underneath there, you can see where you can hang your hats or your belt or ties or anything like that. I don't know if you was able to catch that underneath that last shelf, but it has that available, and that's the toilet. I'll turn off these lights, because please believe me, everything ain't free. Even though they did have the LED lights in, gotta make sure you take care of the people, man. So right now I'm headed to the backyard. It's a wide open backyard. Man, like, come on, like, you can't beat this, man. You got kids, you can let them go back here and roam free. You have a cat, a dog. Well, the cat ain't really gonna play outside, but the dogs, or whatever, you can have that outside, and then you can see into the main bedroom. You can have view. Well, while you're in the bedroom, you can have view outside, and as well as the living room, as well as the kitchen, to look right into the backyard. You have a shed. I didn't really go into the shed, but you have that available for you as well at your disposal. It's a well-lit house, well-lit home. Definitely make sure that y'all experience the Cooper difference, man. Tyreke makes dreams happen.